Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a hex color code of an image in Canva. So as you can see, we are in Canva, and what we're going to do is open up a new document. So we're just going to come up along here at the top, and we're just going to do create new and click on the custom size. So I'm just going to click on this 900 by 600 for the video. And as you can see, Canva has now loaded us that blank template. I'm then going to come over to the left-hand side and click on Uploads, Upload Files, and I'm just going to double click on this picture here of this gorgeous palm tree and just wait for it to download. Perfect. Okay, once it's downloaded, I've given it a click and it has now appeared in our Canva template. So I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger and then just click off the image. I'm then going to come up to the top bar here with this multicolored circle and give that a click, and then come and press on this add a new color button. And what I'm going to do is click on this color picker button and bring that over here and then click on this blue sky. So I want to know what the color is of this gorgeous sky. So I'm just going to give that a click, and then as you can see, it has matched it. It looks fantastic. I mean, there is a lot of blue going on there, but it is the right color. And then we have got the blue here, so you can then highlight that, you can copy it, and then you can use it to however you want to. And that's it, guys. Super quick one for you today. Really hope that you found it useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.